Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Porchy Tech. Hope everyone is having a good holiday season so far. Alright, well, so today I'm gonna have another unboxing for you guys, and this is another case that I have here for the iPhone 13 Pro Max. And I'm gonna have the link in the description if you have the 13 Pro, so don't worry about that. I'm gonna have all that in the description linked so you can head on there and make your purchase. Okay, but before I get into this unboxing, please, I would really appreciate if you could head on down below, hit that subscribe button, turn your notification bell on, set it to all so you can get notified when I have uploads on this channel, because at the current time of recording this video, I'm at 925 subscribers. I do need to get to 1,000 subscribers, so your subscription would be highly appreciated. Okay, and thank you if you have subscribed, and helps me to get to that 1,000 subscribers. Okay, so now let's jump on into the video. As you can see here, I have the box here, and this is a Torras, simple but as you can see, simple but unique. And this is a case for the iPhone 13 Pro Max here. It's a slim fit case for the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Okay, and this case, it runs you at, it's $35 on Amazon, but it's always on sale, and I was lucky enough to get this on a cyber deal for $15.19. So I got like 20 bucks off, so $15.19. And I'm gonna have, it does support wireless charge as well, so if that's something you're worried about before getting this case, then you don't have to worry. It does have wireless charge. It doesn't prevent you from charging your phone wirelessly. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead, pop this out the box. Whoop! Oh, look at this. It's a hard case. You can hear it. Hard plastic. It does have two opening at the bottom here. That's just to cause flex on this, so it doesn't bust open when it falls. It's a little flex. It's gonna be flexible. It's for flex. Okay, so let's get into the design here. We have our cutout here on the side for your volume up and down, for your silent switch, sorry. Also your volume up and down here. Okay, it's engraved right here. It does feel like it's a little hard to press. The phone's not in the case yet, but it does have a lot of resistance to this volume up and down here. Also, we have the power button on the side here. We have our regular cutouts here at the bottom, and our camera bump at the back for protection on the cameras. So I'm not gonna do too much. There's not much to talk about with this case. It does have the Torras logo engraved in the bottom portion of the case here, and on the inside portion as well. So nothing on the outside, nothing engraved on the outside. It's just plain and matte. It's not glossy. Fingerprint, as you can see, I'm pretty sure you can't see any fingerprints right there. So this is not a fingerprint magnet, as you can see. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead. As you can see, I have the gray. All right, this is a graphite, as they would say. Well, I just call this gray. I have this graphite iPhone 13 Pro Max, and we're gonna slap it in this case right here. As you can see, it definitely says slim thin fit design, and that's exactly what you're gonna get. Okay, so as you can see on these edges right here, if I put it face down, there's little protection. There's a little protection on the front. I would say little to no protection, because as you can see, it's not probably a millimeter or two, probably a millimeter over the screen on the phone. It's not raised above the phone too much, as you can see right here on this edge right here where I'm running my finger here. It's barely over the height of the screen protector. So if you're going for style, yes, I would recommend this case, but for protection, no. It does offer protection for your camera, which is where your camera is here, which is good, but I'm pretty sure the main thing you want to protect here is your screen. And this, I would not recommend this for someone trying to protect their phone from getting smashed if it falls on the face or something, or if it falls any at all. You know, this case is not good for protection, but for style and look, it looks really nice, but doesn't offer much protection. But let's go back to the power up and down that I was concerned about here. As you can see, whoa, pretty easy. It's not bad. Yeah, it's pretty easy. So I was wrong about that. The power on and off, clicky and nice as well. Speaker grill cutout is really nice. We have our charger port cutout at the bottom, our lightning port, and that's about it. And then as I mentioned before, the camera bump offers a lot of protection. As you can see, it's raised really high over the cameras, so it's protected if your phone falls on the back, or if you slam it down on the back here. You can see it lifts it off the table a little bit, so it does offer protection for your cameras. And it's not a fingerprint magnet, so that's really good as well. But as far as protection for your screen, definitely would not recommend this case for that, because little to no protection on the front here. Okay, so that's it for this case, and it's the Torras slim fit case, and that's for the iPhone 13 Pro Max. I'm gonna have the link in the description for the one for the 13 Pro as well. So if you have whichever version you have, it's a Max or the regular Pro, I'm gonna have you covered for that in the description. Okay, so you can go ahead, click on those links and make your purchases. All right, so remember, before you get off this video, I would really appreciate if you could hit that subscribe button, turn your notification bell on to get me to that 1,000 subscribers. Okay, really need that. All right, and that's the end of this video, guys. Hope you like it, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.